Ever wanted to send a completely custom GIF in your Discord server, one that you made? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own GIF from scratch in just a couple of minutes. It's fast, it's free, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to make as many custom GIFs as you want. Let's get started. First, open up your internet browser and head over to GIF.com. Once you're on the home page, look in the top right corner and click Log In. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and make one. It's completely free. You can also sign in using Facebook or Apple if that's easier. After you're signed in, click Create in the top navigation bar and then choose GIF. This is where the fun begins. GIF lets you upload an image or video from your computer, or you can paste a URL from places like YouTube, Vimeo, or Giphy itself. I'm going to upload a picture of a cat I already have saved, but you can use anything you like. If you upload a still image, you'll see a message saying it needs animation to become a GIF. Luckily, Giphy makes that super easy. You can add filters, stickers, or motion effects. I'm just going to add a simple sticker. Now the image animates, and boom, we've got a GIF. You can also add text if you want to personalize it even more. I'll type, "Hi, I'm a cat," adjust the style and colors, then click the plus icon to add it to the GIF. Feel free to play around with fonts, colors, and effects until it looks exactly how you want. Once you're happy with your creation, scroll down and click Continue to Upload. Choose Upload to Giphy, wait a moment, and when it's ready, click Copy Link. Now, head back into Discord, paste that link into any chat, and Discord will automatically convert it into a playable GIF. After you send it, you can also click Add to Favorites, so the next time you click the GIF icon in Discord, you can find it under Favorites and use it instantly. And that's it. You just made your own custom GIF for Discord. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments, and if you want more quick tutorials like this, make sure to stick around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.